Hi, it's Dr. Sassi. Today we're talking about a helpful treatment called Sacral Neuromodulation. If you're someone who's having trouble with bladder leaks, running to the bathroom all the time, or even having bowel accidents and nothing else has helped, this treatment might be the next best step for you. It works by sending tiny signals to special nerves near your lower back called sacral nerves. These nerves help control your bladder and bowels. Think of it like giving those nerves a gentle reminder of how they're supposed to behave. First, there's a little test to make sure the treatment works for you. A small device is placed near your nerves for a few days to see if your symptoms get better. If you feel improvement, we move ahead with a small surgery to place the device permanently under the skin. Most people feel better for many years. They go to the bathroom less often, use fewer pads, and can enjoy life more without worry. It's gentle, safe, and covered by most insurance. If you've been struggling, talk to your doctor. This may be the answer that gives you back your freedom